Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add blog posts to your Squarespace website. Let's get started. First, go to the Squarespace website and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and select the website where you want to add a blog post. Once you're in the dashboard of your website, go to the Pages section. Click on the plus symbol in the top right corner of the menu to add a new page to your site. When you do this, you'll see Blog as an option. Click on it and this will open a wizard that allows you to design your blog. This will give you a preview of what the blog will look like, and you can choose to customize it further later. Now you can see that the blog has been added to your site. You can name it whatever you like. It opens with the option to rename the blog, but for now, I'll leave it as it is. Inside this category, you'll see 4 sample blog posts. If you go back to the Pages section and click on the small arrow next to the blog page, you'll be able to view and manage each individual blog post. You can easily add more blog posts, and doing so will open them in an editor immediately. The process is very intuitive and straightforward. Just enter a title for your post. In this case, I'll use subscribe to the channel and add some text to the body. It's as simple as that. When you're done, click the button at the bottom to move on to the next post, or save your changes. If you save the post now and go back, you'll see that. To add a new post, you just need to click the plus symbol. You can also preview your posts to see how they look before publishing. Additionally, the button at the bottom allows you to proceed to the next post or make further changes. The button at the bottom lets you navigate to the previous post. As you accumulate more blog posts, you can easily search for specific ones using the search feature. You can edit each post just like any other page in Squarespace. This means you can add images, embed code, or make any other adjustments you need to customize your blog posts. You can add content to your blog post by using blocks, just like you would with any other section. Click on Edit section to access options that allow you to style and customize your blog post, just as you would with other pages on your site. That's how you can add a blog post to your website on Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.